Futures. And go. Bet you Mark doesn't waste all your time with a bunch of electronic crap.
He doesn't buy anything, Coach.
Oh, that's true. He will. He will. Don't worry, he will. Okay. Money has a way of changing things, right? You think I would have bought a $300 R2D2 before? I'd be like, no, family needs food. You know what I'm saying?
They'll figure it out.
He will. That's why he's taking a round the world trip for his anniversary, right? You ever thought he would do that?
Mhm.
All right, here we go. Or I talked to, remember he said that he was still in Ohio. Like, what are you doing in Ohio, bro?
Not a vacation.
Yeah, go do something. All right, here we go. Oh, this is
Well, where he stayed is a cool place, though.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hawking Hills. They've got tree houses that you can stay in.
Oh, that's awesome. I've seen those.
Yeah.
Okay, those are phenomenal.
Yeah, those are sweet.
Yes. Ooh, Darth Trader. Speaking of Star Wars, Darth Trader over in the Profits and Loss just reported a $3,803 profit for the day. Nice.
Stop it.
Oh, David came out ahead. He did have a double dose of the gummy bears, and he did
Hey.
he did come out alive. He said that he made $1,561.52. So he did get out of there. I know that was a challenging morning for the Apple 2-minute EWO riders. So congratulations to all of you. Nice work.
Struggle bus this morning for them.
Yes. Apple was, it was chop city there for a while. He said they got chopped up in the very beginning when it spiked up and then it went poof. Right? Look at these candles over here. Looking bottom left of my chart. See this? See this?
Oh, yeah.
That's the Widowmaker. Look at it. You see Apple
Oy,
like?
oy, oy.
Look at the rest of the chart. Notice there's nothing like that for Apple, right? It was like, we trade Apple because it doesn't have crap like that. You know
So
what I
we
mean?
thought.
Yeah. Ha ha ha. Think again.
I was getting chopped up a little bit this morning in NQ when I was trying to make a decision. I finally said, you know what? I'm good.
Yep. Yeah,
Let this thing
absolutely.
figure itself out.
Yep, for sure. All right.
Just been paper trading with the crew, showing them what we're doing.
Oh, nice. Did somebody draw my chart down here? Is this you guys on the bottom right? Can you guys tell it to clear drawings?
Could be. You can delete all. Here, I got it.
Yeah, somebody did it.
There you go.
All right, thank you. Oh, I didn't know if I could also do it off of mine. Okay.
I think you can.
Gotcha. Yeah, it looks like it works.
Because you're sharing, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a run up here. Let's go ahead and little dabble do ya. Oh, nice. Here we go. First trade of the new monitor. Gosh, that thing is mighty.
25047's been a tough level for it to break through today, Coach.
Copy. It's a good thing I bought it right there on the ceiling like a clowny then.
Right on the ceiling.
So glad I bought along at the top because that's what I train us on. Woo! Goodness. Goodness.
Riding the lightning. Riding the
Goodness.
lightning.
That's right. I needed a little adrenaline pump. You know what I'm saying? A little get fired up. Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Well, we get stopped out there. Nice job, Bozo. Bozo the clown. All right, let's see. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you. Can everybody see and hear me okay? If you're over on TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Craigslist, MySpace, OF, Winamp, AOL, dial-up, clothesline, maybe you're drawing on laundry. I don't know. Maybe you're drawing charts on laundry. I don't know. Smoke signal, Gorilla Gram, never Telegram or WhatsApp, though. If you guys can see and hear everything okay, type in a 1 or say, yes, we can.
Yes, we can, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, my gosh. Do I have room? Oh, my gosh. There's so much space on here. So so much space.
So much room for activities.
This is crazy. I feel like a little kid with a big sandbox here. Hold on. Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh my gosh. There's enough room for YouTube as well over here. Now I can actually see the YouTube at the same time. My wife in a minute's going to be like, shut up. She's like, I'm trying to watch a show. She's got her headphones on. She can't hear, hopefully. Driving her nuts.
Good to see you, Coach.
Good to see you all. Appreciate you.
What did you get, Coach?
Daniel, good to see you,
New
man.
monitor.
See, Dougie.
I got a big old 57-inch amazing monitor. Oh, this is great. Oh my goodness. Gang, I'm in love. I got a big old 50. Oh my gosh. Wait, is the super chats up? Yeah, they are. Okay. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, hold on. All right, this is awesome. You guys, come on. Come on. You guys want to see my whole screen? Hold on, I got to show you this. They can't see it over there in the free section. All they get is the Weeble, but hold on. Let me just show you something. This is what 7168 by 2160 looks like. Are you ready for all this? This is nuts. Can you see it all?
Yep.
Oh, baby.
Right? This is Discord on 1, TikTok Studio on 2, OBS on 3, which is controlling the stream, TradingView on 4, YouTube on 5, TikTok chat on 6, and you guys are on lucky number 7 on the right of it that I can't draw on. Look at this. Ooh,
Smokes.
yes. Yes.
Space. Final frontier.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I'm actually, what I need to do is take this and go cut this in half, take the YouTubes, put it over here. Yep. Hold on. I like the way you guys are thinking. Hold on. You guys are right. You're right. Hold on. I know. You guys, this is why I have you here. You're geniuses. Let's put it here.
Super geniuses.
Let's see if we can. Oh, can we? Hold on. Hold on. Can we make it all? Come on. What? Can you guys see that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, gravy boats. What are we going to put in this giant space?
You can even put Twitch in there too.
Oh my gosh, I could put Twitch, Craigslist, OF, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn.
Oh, man.
You can
Right?
put it all.
I can put it all in here. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sorry. I am so geeked up. I do not get that geeked up about technology because I buy all of it and use it and review it and test it and play with it and like it and do the things on it and then the stuff. This is awesome. This is a must-have, highly recommend, coach approved, chukunk. All right. Can we please get back to the task at hand? Okay. Gosh, tough crowd.
Whatever. This is the task at hand.
Tough crowd. Hey, think about it this way. Because of that technology, you guys could actually do more. Could you guys, could you imagine all the TradingView charts you could have up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my, you could literally have 8 1080p TradingView charts up at the same time. This handles 8 1080p displays on here.
That's crazy.
Yep, all windowed out, right?
I thought you were gonna say, Coach, because of that guy that said that. Because going back to the task on hand,
Yes. Yes. I like it.
that was an unforgettable day.
It really was. I love it. There's nothing I like better than banning people in the morning. That's my favorite. What's that old movie, right? I sure like the smell of napalm in the morning, right?
Right.
That's exactly
Join
what
in the
happened.
afternoon and get in bed in the morning.
Yep.
Apocalypse Now.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes, classic. Appreciate you. This is amazing. Okay, oh my gosh, having up all of these things, it's just going to bring a tear to my eye. You know what that means? I got to replace all the monitors upstairs.
All of them.
Shh.
When you selling, coach, let me know.
Don't tell anybody. Shh. Well, think about it. The cool thing with this, and this is what I like. The reason I'm not using, I have the exact same desk upstairs, the sit stand desk. The reason I don't use the one upstairs is because I have a wall mount with one of those monitors, and then I have the other monitor. So it's kind of, it's just like this, right? So one is directly in front and one is off to the right-hand side, so I can have the cameras in the middle, because I've got 2 cameras plus the pro camera behind those. And it's just like this. And the problem is this secondary monitor, because it's directly above the right side of the other monitor, I can't raise the desk. So if I go to 1, I can raise the desk. Make sense? And because I can think about it, I have the same now real estate. Now remember, even with the 1440, I was using a different resolution, because at 1440, you don't want to truncate it too much, because then it gets like pixelated. You know what I mean? So with the other one, I was leaving it larger because I had 2. Well, this means my 1 can replace 2 upstairs, right? That's awesome. Very excited. This thing really hugs the crap out of you too. This is 1,000 R curve. It's like it hugs you, where the other one was wider, like the way it was flatter, and this one wraps around you.
Well, I like that.
Yeah, this is, oh my gosh, you guys. I can't do it. And it's taller. It's a little bit taller. It's a little bit wider. I'm just sitting here in awe of how beautiful this is. And by the way, I was really concerned with the VA panel. Remember, I talked about it yesterday, because the other one was OLED with a glossy, and I was like, uh-oh, how are my eyes going to? My eyes love this monitor. It loves it. 240 hertz. Okay. All right. Enough of that, Doug. Stop. We're done. We get it.
Listen, it's cool shit.
It really is. Hey, this is what I was saying, though, right? Get the right tools for the job. Am I right?
That's right.
So if you guys buy a bigger monitor, it's like your car. When you buy the NOS stickers, it goes faster. It's
Feels
like,
so much faster.
exactly.
That was so funny.
Yeah. It's like putting a Borland exhaust on your Gremlin, and you get like 70 more horsepower.
When you put the super stick on the tires.
The super stickers, and you'll go faster.
Heart can on the exhaust.
That's right, and you'll go faster. Oh, you guys
If this doesn't work out, you can do radio.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
There you go.
I used to do a lot of live radio and TV just for our advertisements, so kind of been there, kind of done that. All right. Let's see where we're at here. We got a nice little bounce on the NQs. All right, you guys tell me, what do you guys want to trade today? What are we trading?
We've been trading NQ all day.
NQ. Okay, so
Watching
that's your
charting it.
jam.
Yeah.
The NQs. Okay. All right. Well, we're kind of in this channel, as we can see. Let me move this up. This is the channel we're kind of bouncing around in, this 25028.
Everything is balanced. Everything is on the channel right now, coach. The only thing that's running is crude oil.
I got you. Good thing we like to trade in a channel. Am I right?
That's right.
So I'm looking at, so here's the top of the channel, 47, bottom of the channel is 28. But in the middle, I can see this 42 coming down to 28. So I will be trading off the 42 to 28 until it tells me otherwise. So let's go small just because. And a minute. Now what I'm going to do is, because we already know where the, okay. I was going to say, because we already know where the, okay. Who did that? It's not even power hour. Did you guys see what happened? What is that? It just hit the top of the channel. Did you guys catch that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What in the heck was
Good.
that? Out of nowhere. Anyways, what I was going to show you is I was going to put my stop just above this wick, which I didn't get a chance to do it. And then, of course, my buy was around here. So this would have been my risk. And then this would have been the reward, right? All right. Anyways, so now that we're in the top of the new channel, the 47, which is the top band here, let's mark it so it's a little bit easier to see. Here, this one's the bottom. This one's the top. Might as well make it green so it's easier to see. Okay, right here. There's your top and bottom channel. Now, if you look at this overall, right, this is riding the 9 to the upside. See it? We're kind of getting a little bit of a squeeze, but this is where we want to short. 47 until it shows us otherwise, right? So we'll take, now I'm a little late to the party, but there might be a little bit left on that. So again, I'm going to be just above this area. Okay, we're at the top of the channel at 47. There we go. $50. Come on. Now I've only got 2 minis in there. There we go. Protect the trade. Nice. There's 80. It's touching the 9. See, I bounced off the 9.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm giving it room. I'll take it. $40. Big deal. Doesn't matter. It's about making good trades. Now, do you guys see how we took that from the 47 top right down to the 9, which I knew it was going to want to try to ride the 9. It's been doing it here, 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 here. But that's okay. Notice I still got some, right? Still got a little piece of the action. If this breaks the 9, I'm going to ride this down till we get to 28. Makes sense? Okay, great.
Yep.
Because that is the channel we've been talking about, right? Okay, great.
That is the channel.
That's the channel. How do we get started for free? Go to americandreamtrading.com. Join the community. There's a big giant button that says join the community.
Coach, so you weren't trying to get at the 9. You're anticipating to go to the bottom of the channel.
Well, I was, but we have to remember it's respecting the 9. But I wanted to give it a little bit of room in case it, bounced around that 9. That's why I left a little bit. I mean, I could have just took it right at the 9. Right? So I could have took it from 47 down to the 9 and collected. But if it would have went and pulled through it, then I would have got a lot more money out of it, right? I'd always rather give up another, $30 to have a $500 drop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because think about it. I
You
bought
ever,
it.
like, shed? Like,
You could have, but
like
I'm
shed.
yeah, you could have. I'm just quick and in and out, but yes. So I bought right here, which is, by the way, it's telling you to buy again, but just be careful because the 9 is getting tighter and tighter, tighter. If this breaks through, you're going to long it. Hold on, I got to set for this. Remember, that's the top of the channel. If that breaks through, I'm longing it because it's been constantly and forever, right? Popping this.
Yeah.
Just remember for the
I was in off the 9 on that pullback.
Yep.
I'm in it now.
Yep. That's always the trade, right? Isn't that what I train you to do? Always and forever.
Yes, sir.
Right here, waiting for
2
confirmation.
contracts.
Yep. Now, right here, you can see that it stopped right here before. I'm not going to long this until this candle is higher than this previous candle because it's going to want to do this, which is come right back to retest. Now, I've got a choice. I can long it here, which I'm not. I'm going to wait for it to touch the 9 again, right? It's been respecting the 9. If it pops, breaks this previous candle, I'm longing it. Get it? Makes sense?
Absolutely.
Now, obviously, these are quick scalps, meaning if you're not, if you haven't mastered any of this, please don't do any of this. You're just going to get all chopped up, right? But I'm just showing you the mind of what I look for, how I handle this. So I'm waiting for this to break this candle. Then remember, all right, here it comes. Get ready. It's trying. It's not there yet. Now notice it pulled down and respected the 9 again. That's a good sign for bullish, right? See it right here? There it is a minute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my stop a little bit so that I can get coverage to the 9. I'm okay with this whole area in here waiting for this to pop, right? Once this pops, goes green, I will protect my trade. Starting to get there now. I can see it. It's kind of green, red, green, red. My total risk is from here to here. What is this? About 550. I'm okay with this. Right? Know your risks. I need a little bit more of a stop only because I don't want to get wicked in the 9, right? I don't want it to go through it. I mean, sometimes it can and sometimes it doesn't, right? I had one earlier. It was one tick, literally one tick. It wicked me out, but I just jumped right back in it and I made $2,500 off the trade this morning.
Mm-hmm.
But it wicked me by one tick and I was like, oh.
Those are heart-wrenching.
They are. They're like, because you
Especially
don't.
when you get a great position.
Well, and think about it. Like right here, we don't know. Like it could go to here. I mean, think about it. It could go here, here, right here, here, here. You know, you don't want it to come down to here because otherwise I'm giving up the money from here to here. But it has to have enough. Now look I had just enough. See this? I would have got wicked out if I was right there, wouldn't I?
Mm-hmm.
So I got to give it a little more, like a little bit, but you never know. Like you just don't know. It's touching the 9 again. You see how it keeps touching the 9 and bouncing? Now, do you guys see if I would have had my stop too tight in here? That would have been the third time it would have been stopped out. And then you'd be like, I got to get back in it again. Well, that's 3 trades, right? I'd rather take an L on 1 than 10 trades doing the same crap because my stop's too tight. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
by 1,000 cuts.
Yeah, exactly. And it's so easy to do when we're doing this because you're like, well, I know it wants to bounce. I know it's going to, I know. And you're like in it and then in it and in it and in it and in it. And before you know it, it's like, well, now when it runs, you're like, well, I didn't make any money. So this went green earlier.
Guilty.
Yep. Hey, we've all done it. Trust me. Now this went green earlier, right? This did go green earlier and I was waiting for it to break, which it did. So I was anticipating a bigger move. It didn't. It happens. But when this went green right here, the reason I didn't protect, because you guys always see me protect my trades, is only because I needed to get away from it. If I'm too tight, it's just going to stop. And then I got to restart again. Stop. And then I got to restart again. So when I look for it, I want it to be a couple ticks away. Like, here we go. Starting to get momentum now. There we go. Come on, get up there. I'm going to get me closer just to anticipate the move. Here we go. A little more. Get one more push. I'll put this right in the middle. Notice if I put the stop there right now, I'm just going to get stopped out and make $50, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not in this for $50, gang. Now I could do 10 trades of $50, make 500. If that's the way you want to do it, that's fine too, right? If I wanted to, I could have left my stop down here and manually just bought it back, got out of the trade. Hey, I'm green, get out, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm in this, though, to get a big push and then follow it up. Here we go again. Come on, a little more. As soon as it breaks the spot. Nope. Oh, it's 3 o'clock. Crap, it's power hour. I better. Yep. I didn't even see it. Okay, I'm going to put this in now because I don't want it to knife drop and crush my soul. I'm going to take the 50. The only reason, gang, is because if volume comes in here. Oh, there it goes. I was going to say if volume comes in here, could wreck my soul. And I was looking for that pop earlier. I still might be able to get a taste. I'm going to let it come down, hopefully, and then I'm going to enter again right where I got stopped out, right here. That's where I got stopped out last time. I'm in the exact same spot again, right? Stopped out. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. So you see how we ran up to this level, pulled right back. It just didn't have enough, did it?
Oh, that's a tricky spot up there.
It is. It's tough.
That 2560 was hard today.
Yep. Just too tough. Too tough of a spot.
Hey, Coach, when you're looking at those double tops,
Yep.
what are your entry? Like, do you get up, do you get in when it's like touching the very top of that
No,
double top, or are you
never.
kind of waiting for
Nope.
How do you
Early.
approach it?
Always early, right? So this isn't a double top, but if this was, I would get in early, right? Because then I'm going to let the wrist come up here for a total annihilation, right? We're always early, just like with a double bottom. If you wait till it gets to the top, most likely you're going to miss the whole run. Okay?
Gotcha.
Yep. Because remember, everybody's looking to get out before that spot. If you ever watch the L2s, they will be ready to go before the very tippy top. Tippy top's where the suckers are. Right? They will get annihilated. Oh. Anyways, just like this 58, I could trade this 58. Remember what we talked about, though. You see how it's respecting this 9 the whole way?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I wanted to, it could go in small, right, when it was down here, have a really big stop, let it work, and as long as it respects the 9, let it go forever, right? Kind of like our 2-minute EWO.
Yeah.
Which, if you look at the 2-minute right here, I mean, it's respecting it. See it all the way. But if you look at here, we're starting to get into some trouble. All of this, see it?
Mm-hmm.
This is danger, danger. Everybody see it there?
People have been asking me, where are you getting your boxes? Where are you getting, why do you snap those things? And I said, just watch Coach.
Yeah. It's literally right click the screen, go to drawings, scroll down, it's rectangle. See it?
No, I mean the ideology. Just listen
right.
to what you're saying and
Yes.
why you're calling out an area or
Gotcha.
a range rather than a couple of lines.
Yeah, absolutely. And you guys can see it all, right? So here, 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 here. See it? And here.
Mm-hmm.
So the more times, right? Look at all this. Okay, this creates, and look at what it's doing out of it. See how it's pulling here?
Yeah.
It did that in real time. You like that? That was just for you guys. You like that? Yeah, you do.
There's my entry position and where my stop's at currently for the Zoomers.
There you go. You see how we got up into this big trouble area, though, and then bam, knife drop?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my colors
So
are
right
off.
here, I'm going to shed 3, keep 2.
Oh, my colors are off. This is supposed to be blue. This is my 200. This is wrong, too. This is supposed to be white.
And stopped up. Good trade.
That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay. And I need to save this setting. There we go. Yay. Okay. So that's what it should look like right there. Now notice since it's not respecting the 9 anymore, right? Now we're going to look at the 21, which is right here. If it can't hold this 21, we short. Because isn't that the backbone?
Mm-hmm.
And it's got a big gap. Big old gap. We got the 200 coming up.
25037 is a gold level on my chart.
Yep. And we've got the 200 rolling up at 37. So, but we've got from here to 37, basically, with a huge gap to the downside. If we can get back below the 200. Get back below the 200, right? Which would be nice. But if we get back down into that area, we could be looking at low a day, or you can see it on your trading view indicators, right? That bottom of the channel. So we'll see. Again, trading this downside. We'll see what happens here. I've got my stop in place. I'm always protecting myself. You're like, Coach, but you're giving up $500 a whack. Sometimes I am, but other times I'm making $3,000 on a pull. You know what I mean? This is why I don't like, oh, I have a 97% success rate. Yeah, okay, that's great. But you're making like $14, little kid. Right? Like, yay, good job. $6.
My percentage today is 76. Eat it.
Yep.
Who cares?
Yep, exactly. It just doesn't matter, right? At the end of the day, all right, there's the bounce off the 200. See if we can get a nice pull through that. Oops, I am going to protect this. But I do want it to run, right? I want to protect, but I've got to give it room. It could bounce and barely make anything. If I wanted to, I could quick, I could quick take the money at the 200, flip the script, go long, right? If I'm doing that, it looks more like this, though. Let me show you. Don't look. This is where it gets dangerous. Don't look. And don't do this if you're not ready to do this. Now, normally, if I would have been prepared for that, I'm not using a stop loss. I'm hammering off the 200. Right? Going to take that to the upside, which I'm trying to drive this back up to this 21. I'll sell it off. I'll take it right there. I'll short it right there off that 21. Boom, I'm coming back down. Got it? Okay, good. Let's do it. Now I can get in a little early here. There it goes. I'll take it here. That's $130. What I did is I shorted off the 9 and the 21. Right? Heading back down here. Why did I take it so fast? Just because of this candle momentum. Okay, if this breaks this 200, now I'm going to get in there. If not, if I get a bounce, I'm going to take it long again. Taking it. See if it stays up. If it doesn't, I get out. I'll take it. It would have been 100 by the time it actually executed. It was 15. It was 95 when I clicked the button. Did you see it? It's like, that can happen. That's okay. Waiting for this to collapse. Do you see the difference, though? I can do it this way. I can do it with stop losses. I can do smaller and longer. You understand? It's like, what do you want to do? This right here, though, is how I've trained like Mark, Palm, Brady, Jimmy. This is their style, right?
Yep. That's what I'm mimicking as well.
Yep. I get them to trade off this 9 or these major levels of support, right? Remember, long off the 200, short off the 9. Now the difference is on this one, this is up, up, up. I don't want to short that. You see the difference? And it's tight. So I'm going to long this here. Okay, I'll take it. $135. Watch for it to pull back to my 9 again. See if we get another re-entry. If it stays above the 9, I'm then going to long it. If it drops back below, I'm going to short it, but I've only got a short space down to the 200. Looking to do that right now. Hold on one moment. It got pushed back down, but we've got this momentum upside. So right here, I'm stopping. This technically should have got shoved right back down again, right? So this is trying to decide, okay, which way are we going here? This should have been pushed. Starting to now, I'll take it. See if we can get a quick buck out of it. If that pops the 9, I'll flip the script. Yep, starting to. I got to give it a second.
Here's a pop.
Yep, it's not yet, though.
No, look at that.
Yeah, it's not yet. Okay, right there. I'll take it. There's $100. Okay, that's nice. That's a little dabba, do you? Yeah, I know. Technically, it's still on the 9. That's why we got this move. Now, if this breaks this 200, I'm going to short it again. Be careful if it doesn't break previous. Okay. I don't like the way it popped right back up at all. Don't like that move. I'm going to give it a second, though. We're still below the 9. I don't like the way that candle jerked right there, though. There was a lot of buyers right here. Didn't like that at all.
It's been a troll zone all day.
Yep. There we go. And I'll take it. There's another 100. Okay, so you just saw me execute 6 or 7 trades in a row that were all right? Those were all clean. Oh, this percentage is up. But I made $600.
Amazing.
But do you know what I mean? Like the other way, I could do the same thing and look for a $3,000 move. Do you understand? It's
Yeah.
however you want to do it, whatever you want to do. If you want to make 20 trades at $100 to make $2,000, or do you want to do one with a bigger move to get the two? Like, this is what I love about the stock market. It's whatever your comfort level is, right? I love it. If you want to go now, in the beginning, it's much easier, obviously, to go smaller. You could do one or two, right? Put in the stop loss if you want. Yeah, 20 is probably decent right now. So right here, I've got a little bit from here to here. It's not a ton though. See this? So I have to evaluate, do I really want to risk shorting this right now? I don't. The reason is, if I get this right, I've got here to about here, right? So I don't have a lot of movement to the downside because we're starting to get into this area, right? So you've got to identify this. Like, do I really want to short this? Because most likely, because what do we do on support, gang?
Go long.
Yeah, so aren't we getting really close to support? People are going to start thinking this way, not this way, until we get to here, right? Okay, great. By the way, I want to thank all my moderators. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I can even put this up. Are you serial? Oh my gosh, this fits too. This is great. I want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Juan, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we respect and honor you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. I'll take it. I know we're a little late for the introductions, but it is what it is. Thank you guys all for being here, by the way. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. My name is Chad, a.k.a. The Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33 years now. I've trained over 1 million people. Right now, we currently have 68 people in our Zoom session. If you want to join us, come on over to americandreamtrading.com. Click Join the Community. By the way, we have a 1-week free trial for futures. We are training and trading futures live with a cash account in front of your face right now. Hello, Princess V. I see you. If you guys want to join us, go to the website, join the community, click the futures, 1 week for free. After the 1 week, it will renew at its regular rate of $250 a month for futures because you guys get the trading view indicators, which is the greatest thing that's ever happened.
Bomb diggity indicators.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate you. Let me see what's going on around the world here. Hold on. Nice, Bree. I see you just entered the Discord. Thank you. Appreciate you being here. Looking to see if we get a pop back up to the upside. You guys see why I did not want to short it down there, though? Does that make sense? There's just not a lot left. It was great when we were doing it up here. We still had room, right, to come down. It just stalled out. Now I'm looking at this 21. Let me make this a little bit easier to read. Hold on. So the 9 EMA is this white line right here. The 21 is this blue line. The 200 is this faint white line right here. There we go. See if we can get a move above the 21 if we do along it. It's funny on SPY, I had a level marked at 668.54 on my trading view. It's sitting right on it. It's bouncing off it.
Really?
Yeah, it's literally just bouncing right off that line. I've got a giant white line right there. This is amazing. I have so much information on my screen right now. This is great. I feel like I'm in the Star Trek Enterprise over here with all the lights and the gadgets and the bloop, 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 bloop. It's happening.
I have to admit, I'm a little jelly about that monitor. That thing is sweet.
Me too.
It's so good. If I would have known it was this, I was just thinking, oh, it's just larger. I didn't realize it was 4K to go with it. I was just like, oh, what am I, 8 inches, like, no comments there, gang. Everybody be cool with the 8 inches. It's just 8 inches bigger. Oh boy.
So no negative of losing out on the OLED.
Thank you. Yeah, no, it's not yet. I mean, not that I can tell yet, right? Yeah, and it would have been really apparent. Like it would have. Yeah, it's amazing. It's beautiful. The blacks are black as black. You know what I mean? Contrast ratio is nice. Brian, I don't know if you can combine them with a Top Step X, but you can put them on Trading View. Question was, do the Trading View indicators work on Top Step? I know that Top Step is built on top of Trading View, but I'm not sure if you can put the overlay on it. Maybe you can, but I've never tried it.
I got you on that one, Coach. The answer is no.
Okay.
Top Step X does not allow custom Pine scripts.
Gotcha. Makes sense because they don't want anything weird. Yep. They'd be afraid of it or something. He's cheating or whatever. Yep. Of course, I don't know how
He's botting the system.
Yeah, exactly. They're selling bots. Yep, you got it.
You're doing that technology thing.
Yes. Great question, though, Brian. Oh, my gosh. This monitor is hugging me. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Glad I didn't reorder the same speakers that I had upstairs, though. They would not fit on my desk. I'll have to either get speaker stands or go with smaller speakers. That's why I'm wearing my headset, by the way. I don't have speakers in here. And I was just going to order the speakers that I'm using upstairs. Yeah. They wouldn't fit on the desk. They'd have to be behind the monitor. That wouldn't work. I'll have to find another way. Maybe I'll put speaker stands up. Maybe I'll have one right there and then one right there next to it. There should be enough room. We'll see.
Man, when does this choose a direction?
I know, right?
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's horrible. All right, we're starting
about now.
Yeah, we're starting to now. Yep, I'm going to take
Yeah.
Yep, I'm going to take a stab at it right now. Yep, we broke the 21. There it goes. Come on, get up there. I'll take it. $40. The reason I took it there is, remember, we had 47 marked as the previous top channel, right?
Yep.
You see how I have this big old green giant line right here? Guess where I took it? 47.
Right at the top.
Yep.
Riley, what are the levels that we were talking about in NQ all day today?
Oh.
See if you were paying attention.
Yeah, it was definitely, we definitely had 37 marked out for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We had 30 marked out. Well, at least I did. I'm not too sure if you did. Yeah. This 56, 056 for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The reason I ask is Coach came in about 3 seconds and called the channel. We were looking at 25047 today, Coach, and 25027.
Nice job. Yeah, you guys are on it. You guys are rocking it out. I love it. You guys are very good at the skills.
Well, I think we should correct that. Doug.
Dougie Fresh.
Yeah, I think we're gonna correct that. Doug.
Freshness
at those levels.
Well, that's good.
Yep.
That's good. That's good to good.
And Doug comes in here and helps us.
Yeah, he does. He's a hell of a guy.
Yep. That's a
Makes a mean meatloaf too.
Oh,
Darn
is that
Skippy,
right?
I do.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
don't even get me started about my my orange cheesecake with chocolate ganache covering.
Oh, okay. I know what
Whoa.
I'm getting next time I come over.
Yeah, what?
You've been
Yeah.
holding out on
Where's-
that, Tiger.
Where's my invite?
Uh-huh.
Woo.
Yeah.
I need some of
Mhm.
that.
This conversation just turned very sweet.
Yeah, it did. Only
Jeez.
because you're talking.
That's right.
Whoa. I was gonna say, Coach, I love
What?
that color on you.
Uh-huh. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge.
Oh,
Huh? Say no
man.
more. Uh-huh. Very nice. Very nice. I got you. All right.
Looks like somebody's got their hand up.
Oh, Santiago. Go ahead.
Hey guys, how you doing, Coach? How you doing?
Good,
to see you
my
here.
friend. Good to see you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Just one question, Coach. I know you do scalping. When you get those channels, do you go to the body or to the whips on the?
Great question. Great question. It will usually show me, right? If I keep seeing the wick hit the spot, I'll use that as the channel top. If I just see it where it's stopping at the body all the time, like let's take a look, then I'll use that. If it gets, so right here, oops, that one moved. I'll get rid of it. So right here, you see how it's kind of the combination. Whatever's hitting the most, okay? So look here. So wick, 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 and body, wick, wick, wick. See them?
Yes, got it. Yeah, okay.
Yep. Now, if it just kept like hitting the bodies, I'll use the body, right? I'm going to use whatever the system is showing me. So the same thing down here, gang, on the bottom, right? Wick, 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 wick. Jean Wick. Wick and wick and wick. You see that?
Yes, got it, Coach. Okay.
Yep. Great question.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes, great question, man. I appreciate you. You guys are a bunch of geniuses. By the way, listen, I got to do it. I got to show you the way I have this set up now. This thing is, oh my gosh. Gang, I have to show you this. I'm going to open up the whole display. Cover your eyes. It's going to be dangerous. You guys ready? I have so much information on the screen at one time here. Ready? Go. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Look,
that's ridiculous.
This is nuts. This is all on one freaking display.
That's fantastic.
Oh my. And Weeble is larger than I had it before. It is so huge.
Which is nice because Weeble's got a lot of widgets that take up space. So it's nice to be able to stretch that out.
Yeah, look at this. 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
I can't mark zooms. They don't let me draw on it. But that'd be 7, 8, 9. 10 would be all of the video over here. And 11 is the notepad. I have 11 freaking individual windows open on here. Look at all these.
It's absolutely amazing.
It's just amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. This is incredible.
I'm drooling.
Yeah, this is so nice, you guys. You don't understand. This is so perfect. Oh, nerding out. Monitors are a big one. I mean, think about it. We stare at those all day. You want the best you can get your hands on, right? That's like the everything. It's like your phone. You're staring at your phone all day. You better get the best. It's your most used device. Your phone, your monitor, right? Or your laptop, whatever you're using, and your television. Aren't those the 3 most used items in your home?
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Right?
And your bed. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yep. You're absolutely right. If you don't sleep well, you can just throw the rest in the trash, right? Scott, it's 57-inch, partner. Anyways, this is great. I just love being able to have everything on my screen. Again, if you guys want to join us, go to our website, do the things, click the buttons, all the stuff. Wow, we got 150 people watching. How many? And we've got 41 over on YouTube.
Not bad in the afternoon, Coach.
Yeah, not bad for talking about tech crap. Yes, thank you all. J-Dog says, what is that monitor for? Ants? What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? This is nice. What I've got to do now is when we get offline, Can you guys see my wife walking around back here? Hold on. She's crazy.
No.
Hold on. She never stops. Hold on.
Is she as much as a nerd as us?
No, God, no. She hates technology. She couldn't give two shits. All right, hold on. She doesn't at all. She's like, okay. Hold on. You'll see her back here.
I did see her a second ago.
Yeah, watch. She's doing laps. Did you see her?
Is she doing laps around the living room?
Yeah, she's got her headphones on watching TV and she's just walking in circles and doing laps. Watch.
You're getting her steps in. I love that.
Yeah, constantly. Here she comes again. It's like the Indy 500.
Ask her how many steps she's at for the day.
I have no idea, but it's constant.
Probably best not to poke that bear.
Nope.
What PC do you have, Coach?
This is a pre-built 5090 with a 14900K processor. So it's
the best of the best right now.
Top of the toppity, tippity top of the tops, like always. Yep. This replaced a 4090, and I think that one had the 12 9
That's what I got,
processor.
Coach.
Yep. That one will go back upstairs. The 4090s, I mean, it's fine. The only reason, honestly, that I went to the 5090 is because this does that. It's not called oversampling. It's called
overclocking.
Nope. Damn it. No, I can't think of it. It generates the extra frames, but it does 4x instead of 2x, like the 4090. So if you guys are playing games with your 4090, I don't know if you know this or not, but you can actually turn it on and it will generate extra frames for higher frame rates.
Really?
Yeah. And this one does 4x. So on my 5120 by 1440 Call of Duty, I can do 350 frames maxed out everything with a 5090.
Really?
Yes. It's insane.
That's ridiculous.
Yes. 4090. Let's see. Frame generation.
Samsung, Drewski.
Yeah, it's the frame generation. So check it out. Make sure you have, like your DLSS turned on. But if you go in there, there's a 2x frame gen for your 4090s. I highly recommend it. It also takes you'd think it would be a heavier on the workload. It's not. It's crazy how it works. And I have no latency. People are always like, oh, you can't do like FPS. My butt. I have no latency issues, no delay, no nothing, right? I can't wait to see this try to push this. 7168 by 2160. What in the world? I'm going to try to cripple this system tonight.
Yeah, I'm going to look into getting that monitor for sure.
Make sure you use my link that I sent you, if you would.
Yeah,
because
if it gives you a little bump.
It does.
For sure.
It does.
Yeah, for sure.
It'll give me like $150 every time you guys click buy on that monitor.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's my Amazon affiliate account that I've had for
affiliate link
like 8 years through all my YouTube channels, maybe longer, 9 years now. Yep.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes, it is. Every little bit counts. You know what I'm saying? Shoot.
It's free money.
That's right. I ain't scared of free money.
I hope no one is.
Oh, wow. Those snapped right into place. That was beautiful. You know what? It's 3:30. This is really dead. You guys want to see how to program Power Toys? I mean, this ain't doing squat.
I'm not opposed.
Yeah, this ain't doing squat. I just figure I'll show you a cool way. Now, I've never done it with this many things snapped on my screen. I don't even know if it's going to honestly, to do this. Let me find out. Remember, I was using 3 zones before, right? 3. Not 11. Hold on. Power toys. Hold on. Let me see if I can. I'm going to try to show you the whole thing, and hopefully it doesn't freak this out. But this, again, I'm showing you this because this is what you can do at home, even if you've got one single monitor. If you use things like these power toys, you guys can make your life so much easier and snap windows where you want them so you can get right in and start trading and not goofing around with like, oh, I need to move this. Oh, it changed last time. You guys know what I'm talking about, right?
Every single morning.
Yeah,
I gotta dink around with that.
so annoying. So here, let me share my screen. All right, right here. Can you guys see the big old giant power toys right here in the front?
Yep.
Then you can see what it looks like right up here on the left. It just looks like a little colored monitor, power toys. That's all it is. If you go to the store, or just, of course, you can just download it, but it should look just like this. So let me take a peek. Here's can you guys see that, or did it freak your screen out, or can you see the grids?
Yep, we can see that.
Oh, perfect. So right here, this is the one I was using. See this? Now, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if we can. Here we go. Nope. Space around. Nope. All right. I need to see how I can add more grids to this. I haven't had to do this in so long. Look at that, 7680 by 2160. Let me try to create a new layout.
Does that work across multiple monitors? Or one each?
Nope. It'll be one for each monitor, but you can say display 2, do this style. Display 1, do this style, which is great because your other monitors, you might want it set up a different way, right?
Gotcha.
Let's see, grid layouts, create layouts. Nope, I don't want any overlapping zones. Okay. It looks like it might only give me 3. I'm going to have to see if there's a way I can do more. Can you guys see what I'm doing? This is the snap. Right here. It looks like, and I might have to find a way to get more because this is only letting me do a grid of 3. Let's see, Shift S. Yep, we know. Wow, that stinks. That's a stinker. Damn it. I'm going to have to find a way, but watch. This is what I was saying. If I hold a window, like, can you guys see me dragging Weeble?
Mm-hmm.
If I hold Shift, you see what it does? You see how I can go to the zone?
No.
And then I let go?
No, it doesn't show us.
Oh, it didn't? Okay. But what it shows on my screen is it goes blue to those 3 zones. And as I move the window into one of those zones and I let go, it snaps to the whole zone, those 3 zones.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. So I will find a way. I know there's different apps like Apple has MoMA. I'm going to find one, though, that will let me do multiple apps to snap. Now, the one good thing is because I have them all set up, as I open and when I reopen them, they should go back to the same spots. But I will find a tool for it. You watch. Because I'm the same way. I don't want to have to reset all this up. Like, oh, I got to drag this here. How did I have that? Oh, I put that over there. No. Right. Not doing that.
No, that's sweet.
But I love doing that. So at least right now I've got the 3 zones set. So I can go browser over here, Discord over here, snap, snap, snap. Right? There's the 3. Pop, pop, pop. And then I can move them. The zones are great. I'll have to find out. Actually, power toys. More than 3 zones. Let me look. 2 or more zones. I don't want 2 or more zones. Okay, let's try this. Windows. What else do we got? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Know what that means. I'm going to have to ask AI. Oh, it does. It says it does support more than 3 zones. Does it? Custom grid. Yeah, I did that. Oh, get out of here. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. Sharing my screen. Power Toys. Layout editor. Edit. Says there's a plus somewhere. Does anybody see a plus? This is edit. I do not. Does anybody see a plus? I don't see a plus anywhere. It says there's a plus somewhere to add more than those zones.
I can't see the granular in the text box.
Oh my gosh, I just added it. Oh, I just added it. Can you guys see it?
Oh, no shit. It's drag and drop.
Uh-huh. I hit.
Oh, that's awesome.
Look at this. Okay, so zone here, zone here. Zone. I hit the plus. I actually hit the plus key on my keyboard and it popped up.
Oh, no kidding.
So let's see. I've got... So this is a full zone. So snap, snap. I wonder if this will let me do a horizontal as well. I don't know if it will or not. Okay. So really it's 1, 2, 3. It's technically it's 4. Oh, look, it did save the layout. See it? That's sick.
So you can resize each one of those into a custom layout.
Yep.
And then populate each window, because it's a different window,
Correct.
with a full-sized, maximized window of Weeble or whatever.
That's correct. Yep. And it'll snap to it, right? So I hold it, let go.
Nice.
Yep. It'll resize it right to match the window, right?
That's ridiculous.
So let me... All right, we got that. We got that. We got that. Did you guys see how it just automatically went from small to giant? Did you catch that?
Mm-hmm.
So, like, check this out. Watch. You guys see how my Weeble is like, oh, that isn't right. Can you see how it's the wrong window size and everything?
Yeah.
I hold my shift key. I grab the top. It goes blue on my screen. I let go. Boom. There it is. Snaps right to the size in that zone that I had.
That's awesome.
Now, can I create horizontal zones? Absolutely. What? Come on. Okay, grid, allow, customize, drag. This is, gang, come on. Drag the dividers to create wide horizontal bands. All right, I didn't see that. Let me see. Create, we have that. Drag the dividers to create, oh, I wonder if you just grab the bottom. Come on, coach. Wake up. Don't be dumb. Open. Can I grab it? Edit. No, this is this part. Okay, yeah. Okay, we got all that. Cancel. I need to edit this. Open. No. Is it going to force me to do another one? Let's try it. Duplicate. Edit. No. No. Sorry, gang. I'm figuring this out right along with you, right?
FYI, when you open it up and you got multiple monitors, it grabs all the monitors.
Oh, does it? Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, and you can do different zones for each monitor, right?
That's correct.
Yep. Yeah, because that's how I had 1 and 2 upstairs. I had that set up different than here. Yep. Okay. Why? Oh, right here. I am such a bonehead. Where's the bottom? Can I move the bottom? Oh, no way. Look at what I just did. What? Look at this.
How'd you get it? Drag it from the bottom?
I did, and then I clicked the
Nice.
screen, and it grabbed it. Let me see. Like, can I get rid of this one, or is this? What do I have? Can I delete? Can I get rid of? Do I just? How do I? All right, doesn't want that many. Cancel. Edit. Edit. Oh, right there. So I don't have to do anything. See how it's got blue bar swinging across my screen? So I just tell it where I want. So I'm going to say snap here. Snap here. Now this one over here. No, damn it. This one's not coming out the horizontal though. See it? I'm going to save. I did not want that one. Did you see that? Oh, can I change this orientation? All right, I screwed this up. I'm going to have to cancel. Let me see if I can get the... How did I get the... Now, how did I do that? Cancel. Edit. Change. See, this one just snapped right to horizontal when I go over here. See it?
Mm-hmm.
And then when I come over here, though, it doesn't. Maybe, let me try to... No, see? This is almost like looking for, another area to be able to snap the horizontal, because this one grabs it. This one sees it. See right here?
Mm-hmm.
I can go snap, snap, save. Look at how cool that layout is. That is sick, isn't it? And then how am I going to get... See, what it's trying to do is it's trying to make me do like... grid and then horizontal. See it? Can I make this? Nope. You know what I could do? All right, let's do this. Because it's technically here, and here is what I want. Oh my gosh, it even lets me segment off the top. Do you guys see this?
This is nuts.
And then I can put one there. Look at that. What? Oh my. Look at what it does. Can you believe all this?
Wow.
Yeah, this is incredible. Now, control. Do you have, let me see. Nope. Alt. Nope. Shift. Nope. I'm trying to see if it'll like let me adjust the band or change anything after the fact. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Cancel. Customize. Edit. So really there is technically there's one here. There's one here. There's one here. And then there's one here. What I don't want is this line. See this one? I feel like I'm playing one of those mind things, where you have to like the puzzle.
Right.
Like
Right.
which order does it want? All of these are perfect down there. 7, 8, 10, all that. But I don't want these two lines up here. So I have to figure out what ridiculous order it's going to want me to do this in. Let's see. Let's try this one. And then as soon as I do this, it's going to try to do horizontal. Okay. And I think that's where the problem lies. And then this. And then, yes, technically this. You know what I could do? I could leave this zone up. Let me see, though. Let me see if I can edit this. I don't know. Hold on. All right. Ready? Snap. Take this over here. Snap. Do you guys see how the zones are working?
Mm-hmm.
Like I can grab YouTube over here. There's a zone right here. Snap. Yes. Oh, crap. The stock's running above our area. Oh, my God.
Oh, it's way above our area now.
Are you guys making money up there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. All right, where was I? Oh, yeah. What is this going to do? Hold on. If I grab this whole thing. Yeah, see what it's doing? You see how it's these two grids right here? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's snapping to that grid. We're almost there, gang. By the way, is this helping anybody or am I just wasting all your time? I hope I'm helping somebody.
It's extremely helpful for me.
Well, I know a lot of people are not technical savvy, and there's no way in hell you would ever know anything to do with anything like this, so maybe it will help. Most people don't know any of this shit. This is just not a normal thing, right? How can I get rid of this zone? Does it let me just... Can I just edit this one spot? Do you see how you can change your space around the zone too if you need like borders around it? All right. Merge, delete. Click and drag across zones. Okay. Hold shift key for vertical split. There it is. You see it? Shift is vertical. Yeah. Okay. Merge, delete. If only you would read, coach. Tab to cycle zones. Oh, right there.
Michigan Education.
Is it going to let me do it? Oh, there goes the zones. Can I delete? No. Delete to remove. Okay. Tab to cycle. Okay. Okay, it's tabbing through. Gang. How do I get rid of this? Merge, delete, click and drag across zones. I know I tried that. It's not. If I let go, it just lets go. See it? It's not deleting this. How? How do I get rid of this?
Can you reset that area?
Well, I mean, the problem is I can redo it all. The problem is once you set it, like it's set, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't get it. I just want to get rid of 8. This one needs to go. Let me see. All right, so this is vertical and this is horizontal. So that's what I should have done when I was doing it. It might not have forced me to do the vertical. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to edit this one now that we know kind of what we're doing. All right, here we go. Ready? We've got one there, right? We've got horizontal there. We've got horizontal there. This needs to be wider. Oh, now we're cooking with gas. Vertical. Here. Here. This needs to be out more here. Oh, come on, gang. A whole new world.
It's all coming together.
Can you guys see my screen?
Oh, yeah.
I think we just did it. Yeah, we just did. There it is. Done. Done and done. Let's see. So I can grab this one. Why did that show a spot there that I did not have in my edit? Oh, that's why. Because this one needs to go away. This one's no good. We want to use this one as the default now. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right over here. There it is. See it?
Yeah.
There's my zones working. Like right here. Can I snap to this? Yup. How about this one? Can I snap to this? Yup. Can I snap to this? Oh, there's no zone here. Uh-oh. Where's the zone? Is there one here? Yep. Oh, missing a zone. Shows the zone. See it?
Mm-hmm.
This 2 is not showing when I go to snap. Let me try to snap something else to it. Maybe it just doesn't like that. Oh, yep, it's just that. TikTok Studio, for whatever reason, doesn't like it. I'll have to manually do that one. It's an app thing. You know what? And that's it, gang. Is that cool, though, or what?
Yeah, it's sweet.
This one is like this. These two are a little off, but I can fix that because I don't think there'll be a way I can edit that. It ain't gonna let me fine tune it that damn much. And that's how we use them all. Thank you for hanging out with me. I know that was kind of boring, but hopefully some of you that might help you.
I think that tool's cool.
Yeah, it's amazing. Now, every time I turn on my computer, all of this is set up. I don't have to refigure out, where did I have this? That's not the right resolution. That didn't look like that before, right?
Mm-hmm.
Done. Nice. We still have 100 people in here watching this. All right, look,
Technology is amazing.
It really is. This is our little area that we had. I don't want to move this. I want it to be the top of this wick. But do you see right here? This is the same spot, right? See how it tried to break through? It couldn't, and now we're getting the pullback, right? Remember when we had this over here? We just didn't have it all the way over to here.
Mm-hmm.
Same exact area, right? It tried to break through up here. Couldn't do it. Pulled back. Over and over and over and over again, right, everybody?
Mm-hmm. Coach, do you channel trade that consolidation area?
I could, as long as it shows me it wants to. Let me look. I can see what you're saying, though. I can see how you're seeing these up here and it's stopping down here on the wicks.
Right.
Yeah, that's great eye. Great eye. I would. I don't typically like to do it on the top. I like to do it more like if we're channeling something in the middle. And the only reason that is, and now if you have your stops, that's great. If you're doing what I was doing earlier where I was showing you with no stops, don't do that up here. The reason is because if this doesn't hold in this area and you're trying to long it from here and it drops because it couldn't hold and you don't have a stop, you're going to get murdered, right?
So it's a higher risk.
Yes.
channel.
Yes. So if you're going to do it and you are longing off the bottom of the channel, please make sure you have your stops. Don't be doing what I was doing over here. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You don't want to do that because if this can't hold, it's going to go, right?
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yep. Great question. That was a great question. See, that's the stuff that I wouldn't think about that. See right here? So if we longed this, we're going to have a stop now just below this wick. Let me show you. Wait. Stop. In. Stop. Here. See it? Now my stop should be, now my stop would technically be just below this wick because that's where it showed me where support was, right? And now you can see I could protect it, but do I want to make 40 bucks? This is, again, how much, right? What kind of trade are you doing? I want to trade it from here up to the 9, or I want to trade it from here up to the channel. What do I want to do? Where do I want my stop? Boom, I'll protect it. That's going to be, there's 100 bucks. It pulled off the 9. I saw it get a little bit of a pop, and I knew it was going to hit the 9. Like, that's where we want to try to get to. Boom. So we just did exactly what you asked me about. Off the bottom of this channel, made 100 bucks. Thank you for that. Thank you for letting me make 100 bucks.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Great job. Thank you. I appreciate you. Checks in the mail. Now notice, this is where it's coming down to. This is support. Where I had it like right here. This is support. Okay, right here. If this breaks through, I'm shorting it. Can't hold. I'm in it. Now I caught the tail end of it, and I'm okay with that. I'm going to put my stop above that previous area because this is, remember, what was once support should be resistance, right? If it can't hold, I don't want it. Stop me out. 100 bucks, whatever it was, right? We can trade them. Just please make sure you have those stops in there, right? Now, if you think about it, we've made the last 10 trades, I think 1 or 2 were bad, right? We made money. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be afraid to get in here and trade. Just find what works for you. What do you like? I like to go smaller, hold longer. I like to go bigger, get out faster. I like to use my stops and move my stops. I like to quick scalp maybe one super small one, you know, $40 risk. Even if you get a giant candle, you're like, oh, $80, you're okay. Like position size, risk management, all the things. Make sense?
Definitely.
100% coach.
Why don't you use the 55 on your charts? I'm pretty sure you probably answered that before, but
yeah,
sorry.
no, that's okay. It's usually because I'm only trading off the 21 and the 9, and I kind of just try to keep my chart clean. Sometimes I'll have it up here. If I start to see like it's bouncing in a weird area, I will put it up here. You'll see it right here. But typically I don't have it up here. It just gets in my way. Now right here, this 2047 we had marked as a major level before, remember? Look at this. 3 minutes to the bell, bleeding out. That's nice. And I want you guys to notice where it started all this havoc from. There's 300. There's 400. Look at where it stopped. 2028. See it down there? Remember that area? I'm going to let that stop out, make a quick $300. Look at this. Right there. See it?
Perfect.
Ding, 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 ding. Now notice I got a hold of that. It was the tail end of it, but I still made $300 or $400 right there, right? I used the stops. We had them in place. We followed along. It broke through this area. Now remember what I said. We'll see if it breaks through here. I'm going to short it again if it breaks through here. We got a minute and a half to the bell. This is why you use those stops, though. I'm going to tighten up my stops and go larger. This is support, remember? Just went long. Stop's going to be just below my key area. I'm opening it up a little bit. Minute and a half. The trade is green, moving. There it goes. There's 245, 260. 200 trade. Just made $500 in the last 2 trades in under a minute, right?
That's how you do it.
Yeah. Now, and see what we did. Now, I told you, if this doesn't hold up here, didn't I say it's going to drop? Remember? And I said, be careful if you're trying to trade off of this channel, right? If it can't hold, it's going to be lights out. Am I right? Hold your applause to the end,
100%.
please. We have 30 seconds.
Oh,
Hold
yeah.
your applause to
Yeah.
the very end. We did it all.
Easy on the excitement.
We did it all in real time.
Told y'all the NQ was going down today. They didn't want to listen to me, coach.
I hear you.
You know, I don't think this is like, oh, it's gonna go up. This is gonna be a retracement. Yeah, retracement to go up, to go down.
Yeah, to get stomped on, right? 15 seconds.
Of course, Ralph comes back at the perfect time.
I know it, right? 15 seconds. Did you guys notice that I scalped up long right here on the bottom, by the way? Did you guys notice I did not short this? Right? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this pop. This is nuts. Too tight of a stop. Got stopped out. Oh, only got a 10 stop. So risk is about $200, I think, off of 4 with 10, maybe less. But anyways, listen, love your faces. I appreciate all of you. Now, I did something for the early session, and I always forget that you guys can't hear what I'm doing. There's only 60 of you in here, but I'm going to give you the same offer I gave them, and I did it as a flash sale. Some of you are on the cusp, right? Some of you just need some time. Oh, great job. Greg made $200,000 today. So some of you are on the cusp, right? Right now, if you guys, I've got block hours set up for a one-on-one, right? Mentorship with me. Whatever you buy, I'll give you 50%. If you buy 2, I'll give you another hour. You buy 10, I'll give you 5. You buy 20, I'll give you 10, right? That's $60,000. You buy 50, I'll give you 25. That's whatever that is. 160 grand or whatever, right? For free. So if you guys want, I'll give you the next 20 minutes, or just say, I want one. Let a moderator know. They'll take down your name. We'll open up a ticket. We'll get you what you need. But seriously, if you guys buy even just 2 block hours, right, with me, it's at a reduced rate. I will give you another hour for free. That would be a $6,000 for free advantage. So right here, yep, right here. I'm going to post them now. That is in your Zoom chat. I'll give you until 4:20. You have 18 minutes. Again, if you want one and you're like, I don't know how to open up help desk ticket. I can't click on the button. I need help. Just say I want one and somebody will help you out. Got it? Okay, great. I'm going to post it in your Futures Live chat and the Futures Lounge. 20 minutes. You now have 17 and a half minutes. But seriously, right? If you buy the 2 hours, I give you one that's 3 hours. We could do 3 1-hour sessions. We could do 2 hour-and-a-halves. We could do a full 3 hours if I have the time available. Could you imagine what you can do with a full Q&A and the weight of what I'm showing you and what we do in here with the amount of time that we would have? So think about it. I will give you 17 minutes. We want to get these through. We don't want to worry about it and all that stuff. Okay? User 1455355890337 says 6,000. Yes. You want to know why? Because we're at over $300 million in profits. I have members in here literally now making, one of them's at $50 million this month. The stuff we're doing is not your little cheesy, stupid kid $20 Discord crap you guys are watching in your basement at 2 o'clock in the morning stuff, right? I have a member in here right now who just posted, Greg's made $200,000 today. You think Greg cannot afford time with me? Greg could literally get a full year's mentorship with me, a full year for $100,000, a full year. And the crazy thing with that is, if he bought those 50 hours, he would get 25 hours for free. That's like a year and a half. Do you understand what I'm telling you? So those of you that think it's expensive, wrap your heads around what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's $150,000 for free if you buy the 50-hour program right now. Got it? But anyways, listen, appreciate you. Love your faces. Everybody have an amazing day. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Juan, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Appreciate all of you. Thank you to my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We appreciate and honor you every day. Same thing goes along with my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. By the way, Scott over there in your Zoom chat, Scott scooped up 2 of those today and got a free one, didn't you, Scott? See? There you go. I always forget, so don't let me forget. I always try to remember you guys, but remember, I'm usually doing the morning. All this week, though, if I run a sale for everybody that's in the morning, I will always try to remember to get you guys in there, right? I want everybody to have the same advantages as everybody else. If you're a Diamond member,
Coach.
It doesn't matter. Yes, go ahead.
I just want to know if you can hear me. Yeah, I got that this morning.
Excellent.
I was going to buy that 57-inch monitor, but I can't afford it now.
Well, I tell you what, results not guaranteed, but work with me for a little bit and we'll see how fast we can make that happen. How's that?
Oh, I have no doubt about it.
Absolutely.
No doubt.
Yeah. $1,500. That's about 7 seconds.
10 minutes.
Yeah, I was like 7 seconds with about 20 contracts. Right?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. Appreciate you. I mean, what did I make?
Sir.
I made $500 in under a minute. You guys just saw that, right? That was under a minute with no contracts at all.
Yep.
Good stuff. I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you again, Doug, Ralph, everybody who's been helping me take care of the crew while Mark's been out. I know I got big shoes to fill over there. Mark's been doing a fantastic job since we put him over here. We appreciate you, Mark, if you're still watching the show. We love your face, buddy. Drive safe, all the things. Again, Mark is out on his 44th anniversary, having a great time. You earned it, my friend. Enjoy it. Take as much time as you want. Love your faces, everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow from 9 to 11 for stocks and options training. Then I'll be back here again tomorrow from 2 to 4 for futures training. And right now, 4 o'clock, head over to our YouTube channel. Guess what's going on right now? The aftermarket. Everybody head on over there right now. See ya. Appreciate you. Can you buy training and mentoring at the same time? Absolutely. I would highly recommend it. If you guys want to head over, BK, I see you. Go to americandreamtrading.com, join the community, and we'll walk you through everything you need. If you guys are new members, make sure you verify your accounts. Also, every week we do onboarding so you understand where to go, what time everything is, where are all the videos. We have 100 channels over here with thousands of training videos to get you started. We will point you in the right direction. We will work with you all day, every day. If you're a VIP or Diamond member, that is 12 hours a day of training. 12. If you're a Diamond member, 7-day-a-week training, 7-day-a-week workshop classes, mentorship classes. We've got all sorts of stuff. Gold breakout rooms. I mean, there is so much over here. Get it. Appreciate you. Love your faces. Gang, thank you for going on a little house tour with me as I'm setting up this, my office space. I always want my spaces to be amazing. I mean, we live in these spaces, right? I want these to be amazing. So thank you guys for being here, listening to the old man yap about a whole lot of nothing. I appreciate all you. Love your faces. You guys have a blessed day. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.
Thanks, Coach.
Thanks,
Thank
Coach.
you.
Thank you, Coach.
Appreciate you all.